A microscope is focused on a mark on a piece of paper and then a slab of glass of thickness 3 cm and refractive index 1.5 is placed over the mark. How should the microscope be moved to get the mark in focus again? A 1 cm upward, B 0.5 cm downward, C 1 cm downward and D 0.5 cm upward. So here we have in a piece of paper a mark is there and a glass slab is kept on top of this mark and we are given the thickness T is equal to 3 cm and refractive index is 1.5, so mu is 1.5. And now we have to find how should the microscope be adjusted so that it can focus on the mark again. And so we know in case of a rectangular slab, we know there will be shift caused in the image if there will be shift caused in the image which would be lateral shift. So we just have to find the lateral shift and upward or downward. So we have a shift formula which is T into shift equal to T into 1 minus 1 by mu. Now we can substitute in this and we'll get T is 3 into 1 minus 1 by 1.5 is equal to 1.5 minus 1 by 1.5 which is 0.5 by 1.5 and we'll have 3 into 0.5 by 1.5 which we can cancel and we can write 3. So we have 3 by 3 which is equal to 1 centimeter. So our answer is 1 centimeter and since it is positive we have 1 centimeter upward. A as the answer.